What is a writ of certiorari, and when is it used? Have you ever wondered how the Supreme Court decides which cases to hear? One key tool in this process is the writ of certiorari. So, what exactly is a writ of certiorari and when is it used? A writ of certiorari is a legal order from a higher court, usually the Supreme Court, asking a lower court to send up the records of a case for review. The term comes from Latin, meaning to be more fully informed. This process allows the higher court to check if the lower court made a mistake in applying the law. In the federal court system structure, the writ of certiorari is essential for maintaining uniformity in legal interpretations across different jurisdictions. Each year, the Supreme Court receives thousands of petitions for certiorari. However, it grants this request to only a small fraction of those cases. The decision to grant certiorari is not automatic. The court typically looks for cases that involve significant legal questions or where lower courts have conflicting decisions on the same issue. When a party is unhappy with a lower court's ruling, they can file a petition for a writ of certiorari. The Supreme Court then reviews this petition to decide whether to take the case. If the court agrees to grant certiorari, the lower court must provide all relevant case records. This allows the Supreme Court to examine the legal issues and determine if any errors were made that need correction. Understanding the writ of certiorari is vital for law students and those pursuing legal careers. It highlights how the Supreme Court exercises its power to review cases and shape legal doctrine. This knowledge is particularly important for aspiring judges and legal professionals who will navigate the appellate process and judicial review throughout their careers. In summary, the writ of certiorari serves as a crucial mechanism for the Supreme Court to ensure consistency in the law. It allows the court to address important legal questions and resolve conflicts between lower courts. This process not only shapes the legal landscape but also opens up various career paths in the legal field, including judgeships and judicial appointments.